Hey everybody, I'm trying out this new OmniShaver, right? Shout out to Mr. John out there for sending it to me, and pretty much what we're gonna do is just see how good this works. It does ask to put this lathering, whatever you want to use. I have gray hair and I'm kind of bald from the top, so I don't really like, you know, the way it shows, so I have to be doing it every third day. And when you have electric shaver, I've gone through so many of them and they break, and that's no fun. This one, you don't need batteries. So just kind of lather it up. Clean this off. So go something like this, just something real small. It's, you know, really nice. And you just go back. And I'm going kind of easy because my hair is long and it's my first time trying it. So that. It's pretty good, huh? All right, well, thank you, John. Appreciate that, man. See you guys later.